covered Terrablack Europe in Barcelona. I'm here with Umesh from Epsilon Carbon. Umesh, it wasn't long that we've seen each other in Thailand.
That's true.
How are you, and how is rCB Europe for you?
No, it's nice to be here again with you, and it has been a wonderful experience. And we met a lot of potential buyers, and it was a more sort of a learning experience in terms of what the industry is looking and how to prepare ourselves to meet the future requirement.
Sounds good. Sounds great.
Thank you.
And next time you present.
Definitely, I'll try once we have a lot of data to share with you. Definitely, we'll try ourselves.
Yes.
Definitely, we'll try.
Thank you, Umesh.
And thanks a lot, Martin. As congratulations to you and the Smither for organizing yet another wonderful rCB conference. Thank you. And
Thank you. Much appreciated.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best.